Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, so if you've got a visible back button, home button and the recents, you have to tap on the recents. And the recents should be the button with the 3 bars icon. So simply tap on it and you will enter the recents. But if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the bottom of your device to the center and hold it somewhere here. And as you can see, after releasing, we will enter the recent. So here we've got a full list of all previously opened apps. So if you want, you can close only one of it or 2 of them if you want to. And just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you'd like to turn them off simultaneously, just tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.